Hi, welcome to Beginner Guitar Blues lesson number 14. As you may notice, the layout of my video is different. I decided not to show everything I say on screen. Instead, I added subtitles. If you can't see the subtitles, click on the subtitle icon at the right bottom of your video screen. Or press the C on your keyboard. That should work. This lesson will look at how to use or apply licks. Licks are essential when playing guitar. But how do you exactly use them? How do you get the most out of the licks you practice? Let's zoom into licks a little. A lick is actually a small fragment of a guitar solo. You can look at a lick as a word or a phrase in a sentence. By using licks and by connecting them with fragments from scales, you are talking in music. Just as words, licks can be pronounced differently, or your intonation can be different. Licks can be seen as the vocabulary of your solos. By varying the rhythm of the licks, you can use your licks in different ways. The same lick can be used in different ways. And by combining different licks, you can build compelling solos. The more you vary your licks and the more you combine different licks, the more variations you will have in your solos. Of course, we are going to practice this. In the exercises that follow, I will use licks from one of my other videos. I'll use licks from the video Guitar Beginner Blues Licks in A. There's also a part 2 and 3, but we'll use the first one only. It contains 5 licks. If you have never seen that video, please watch it and play along. You can find the video by searching in my beginner playlist. Okay, the first approach in learning to use licks is to vary the rhythm. The following exercise works as followed. I'll play the original lick and you can play along. After that, I'll play the same lick in a few variations. This is as demonstration to give you an idea on how to vary the rhythm. Just listen. Don't play along. After that, it's your turn. You have the chance to practice varying the rhythm of the licks yourself. Let's go. second thing to do to apply or use your licks in an efficient way is combining different licks. In the following exercises, we'll combine the 5 licks from the video I mentioned before. First, we'll play them together, and after that, it's your turn. You can try to play the licks yourself. Learning licks is important if you want to play compelling solos. You do not need to learn hundreds of licks. If you know 20 licks and you can play those licks with a variation in rhythm, you're good to go. If you have the variation in rhythm and if you combine the 20 licks you know, you have an unlimited amount of unique solos. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.